Hey guys, we're gonna be trying the Minuman apple jelly. It's nothing like really popular. Yeah, I have a six. It's just like what do you call it? At school. So yeah, but we're gonna try it, and it came with a straw, but I don't know where the straws went. So let's try it. It's so apple-ish. It tastes a lot like sour apple. It's like, oh my god, so apple. And it's like drinking jelly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but it's tasting the and yeah. So bye, subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.